got the biz. I had no voice, but I got the vision.
What's up? We're on our way to Paris. A dream came true. We finally made it and we just started our tour. We had a trip for around 400 kilometers and we, I think, have 200 or 300 left to hit Paris. Everything went glad except one customer. His GLC 63 AMG blew off and he's not able to drive. That's why we're driving with the Skoda. Yeah. Glad he came, or glad they both came. Yeah, we're 10 people and we'll hit Paris in 2 or 3 hours, I think. Have a break, have some dinner, and start the day right with great people. And that's what I really love. I got customers who are really cool people. When I started the Voyage thing, I just asked people who are already my customers, hey, we're driving to Paris, Monaco, Saint-Tropez, we're doing a trip and we will all organize. Do you want to participate? And 60-70% said yes. So we didn't do any commercials and we can do our trip with the first cars. So we have 5 cars, including the Skoda. So we have 4 cars. First we got the Corvette C8, Boston wheels of course. We got the Defender, which is our new company car. I didn't tell you. The Defender is new to us and we already made the first mod. We decided for custom forged wheels and other tires. I'll show you later. Of course, a lot will come with the Defender. As you know me and what I did with the M4, similar things will happen to the Defender. Promise, pinky promise. Yeah, C8, the Defender. We got the Audi RS Q8, Akrapovic exhaust, Boston wheels, Boston forged wheels, of course. And we lowered that baby last week, so the air ride is now adjusted via application, and it's a very nice solution to lower your car. Yeah, that's the lineup. I think we will have a great time. Weather is quite okay at the moment. In South France we will have 30 degrees plus, and I'm really excited. A dream came true. See you in Paris. We finally made it to Lyon. We had a wonderful, great day in Paris yesterday. The most stunning view you can get in Paris. Esso Hotel, and we took our place in the Bonnie restaurant. It was so delicious, it was so great. I will show you some pictures right here. We had really the most stunning view all over Paris. The Eiffel Tower was in clear sight, and breakfast view, of course, was the same. Yeah, everyone is stoked, right, guys? How do you like it so far?
Very good. Yeah, very good. We're fine.
How do you like the hotel?
No, it's awesome.
All great?
It's awesome.
So you're having a great time?
Yeah, enjoying it.
A pleasure. A pleasure.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, everyone is having a great time. We are a great bunch of people. Everyone is a great guy. Everyone putting their trip into a positive light. Tomorrow we'll hit Saint-Tropez. Finally, 30 degrees something. We'll hit dinner in 1 hour in Lyon, in a beautiful off location, but take that view. Let's do something like a hotel porn.